This is from the other video, from the little smaller languars, I believe is what you call them. But this one's here is a different breed, so it's not really a monkey, even though they act as monkey. But it's called like a Gibbons, and this one right here is really moving. Like he's really got some skills. That's amazing. It just worked out perfectly. Made it look so easy. There's another one over there. And they're just hanging out. Like they make this this little environment. They use everything in it. They don't seem to let the weather bother them either. I wonder if it's more than two. Yeah. I was hoping to see a third one. Yeah, there we go. There's the Gibbons, white-handed Gibbon. That's what that is right there. Got the whole family here.
Like, Trevor, look. Up to 56 years, up to 30 years.
So amazing.
So
I don't know
56 years or 30 years.
what that one's doing.
Or 30 years.
30 years in the wild.
It's a pizza.
It says
Looked like it was reading some news. Was it reading?
6 years in the zoo and 30 in the wild.
And here's this one. Look, walking the wire. Look at that.
Oh my gosh,
Tremendous skill.
It was butt.
So you got some shit right there too if they came right up to you. Yeah, we gotta go. I wanna be like really